What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, and thank everybody again for tuning in and subscribing, man, helping us reach this 100,000 subscriber goal, man. I can't wait. It is December, man, which means it is Vlogmas, man. We are vlogging every day this month, man, so stay tuned. It's going to be a whole different thing of operations and all that, man, so I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys caught the video yesterday where we pretty much celebrated our 100K. Not only that, man, we ended up going to the gym, so on and so forth, man. Meanwhile, we got all the bikes and all that good stuff completed. We are going live Friday at 6 p.m. I don't know when this video is going to drop, but we are going live Friday. If this video drops before then, we got dollar entries for this Road King right here. You guys know at 100,000 subscribers, we was giving away a Harley Davidson, and this is the Harley Davidson that we are giving away, man. So get in while you can. $1 entry can win you this freaking $1 entry can give you a chance to win this Road King right here, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go buy you a sticker, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You can buy as many stickers as you want until Friday when we go live, man. I can't wait. Meanwhile, man, it's time to get up in here and see what we got going for today. I actually put the Road King together yesterday, and no other parts are here, so we're actually going to go check on our yellow Road Glide lemon drop and see what's the hold up with that, see if we can get that on camera and see what's good. Then after that, we're gonna go pull up on the homie, go check out some warehouse space, man, because as you guys see, my garage and freaking driveway is literally packed, man. So my guy's garage and driveway is literally like the same thing, man. So we trying to find a bigger space so we can just have like Everything Regular SSG headquarters and then just store all our cars and stuff there. That'll be pretty sick. So we'll see what happens, man. If you guys haven't though, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. In the meantime, let's head up in the house and get dressed. Let's see what we gonna rock today, dog. Alrighty, guys, let's see what we rocking today, or what we thinking. We got the oohs and the ahs. We got the oohs and the ahs down yonder with the back of it like him. That looks a little better. See the shirt a lot better. I'm eager thinking the skinny jean. I don't know, the skinny jeans. So the red shirt, skinny Zara's with the Lanvins. I don't know, man. We might have to see how that look. If not these pants, then maybe these pants. Red shirt, black with the green and the pink. It kind of match. I don't know. We'll see. What y'all think look better, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. This is definitely my process every day. We trying to figure it out, gang. But first, it's time to get fly and fresh, man. Let's see what we can do, gang. Alrighty, guys. I guess I done found the perfect outfit. Let's see if you guys can get the view. I did a couple change ins and chains outs, but got some good food, got our drip together. Now it's time to see what the homies got going. We just put up on the homie right now. I think they got the studio ready to go. We about to get up in here and see what they got rocking, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We just pulled up to my dog Corey house, man. So you know he always got something cracking, man. Let's see what's up in the mix, man. Just pulled up to bro house. They got the oohs and the ahs.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's SAT meals get prepared.
Chef Ray, that's how you feeling today?
You know.
She said with the oohs and ahs. Okay. I see you.
Prep, yeah. I'm saying pro prep.
All right, man. Y'all know Corey always doing something, man. Let's see what he got going up in here. Golly. You got the lights and all that set up, man. You always doing something, man. What you got going for us today, man?
Yeah, I've been in the studio, man.
A studio, huh?
Been in the studio. I don't know what we bringing Miami to this one room right here.
It definitely look like a club or something. I can dig the vibes, man.
Yeah, it'll be hard, bro. I'm gonna buy me another TV because I don't know the remote to the TV right here.
He said I'm gonna buy another TV because I don't know where the remote at. I'm sure they got the app for it on your phone. Nah, no app.
I don't know. I'm gonna buy another TV together.
The plan is to put the clouds on the walls, man.
Yeah, and I think gonna be the boot low key. 2
hours later, we got something going here, man. We almost got some clouds in the sky, gang.
That's how I tell you, man.
How you feeling?
Hey, here you go.
Look, he taking the whole fan apart.
I get the right. Oh, yo, shit show, man. You know what I'm saying? We gotta paint these gloss white, man. You know what I mean? It ain't cool the way it look right now. It's brown. I don't like that, so we're gonna take them down, we're gonna sand them up, get them sprayed, gloss white, you know what I mean? Put them back up here so that way it can match the clouds, man. I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna feel like you're in a
clouds, huh?
Gonna feel like you're in a whole nother area, space when you get in here.
They ain't know you was that handy, gang.
Huh?
They ain't know you was that handy.
What? Bro, listen, I come from here. This is where I come from. I come from the country, hands on every day.
Right.
Like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? If you went outside putting that work in, boy, you ain't getting nothing to eat. You know what I mean?
Right, no, for sure. Niggas don't know nothing about that.
They don't know nothing about that at all. Them boys, pretty boys, man. Y'all boys, city boys, man. Y'all mama and daddy gave y'all what y'all want, and then on top of that, y'all mama and daddy let y'all do what y'all want. So if you want to be disrespectful, man, they be like, all right, well, forget him, man. He don't want to do it, don't do it. I can't do that. My daddy made me get outside and work. Well, you go listen, cause I'm the dad, you the son. That's how I go. That's why I don't understand how people nowadays they be so friendly with their kids. They let their kids just disrespect them, and they let their kids choose what they want to do. Like, no, you my son. I know what's best for you, and I'm gonna make sure I guide you that way. Simple. I don't get it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta tighten up, man. You can bring any business in life once you put your hands to work and do it. It is.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We got all the oohs and ahs. We got the clouds on the flow. We trying to get this thing on top, man. We trying to be on the clouds, gang. We trying to be on the clouds, man.
Alright, cool. Now it's time to get back to it.
I see the idea though. It's looking cool.
Oh, no, not yet. My boy, you say you see the idea?
I see the idea. It's
Man,
looking good.
Get down with it, man. I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna be like some of the coolest shit you can see.
It look hard.
I think it's too much right now.
Right here?
Nah, it's gonna flow.
It's supposed to fill up.
Right, it's gonna flow.
The whole thing is I don't want to see this roof. So we're gonna make sure like, and you know, they keep it down a little bit, like make it a little realistic. You know what I'm saying?
Realistic.
You don't want to get too flat. You know, I don't want it just like right here. I want it to be like a level, like a white ass real collar that bitch ain't weird. Probably too out, it's coming down too far.
I'm saying light.
Oh, you can't see it.
Like you look out when this one flash with the lesser, it shine brighter.
Yeah, ain't no light. Ain't no light right here though. Oh, right here. Oh, right here. Okay, hold on.
When the light hit.
What's up, guys, man? Next day here. Oh man, legs is sore and all that. Still, we've been packaging up stuff all morning, but we're back at it, man. Everything regular. It's a movie. I can't wait. It's time to get up in here and get this workout going, man. We were supposed to be going to the gym, but I think we actually working out at the SSG mansion today, man. So y'all stay tuned. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's time to go. Yeah, man. You guys know what time it is. We wilding and styling on it early, man. It's a movie. Man, so is we working out today or what, gang? What's going on?
Monday.
Monday?
Boys cook.
You tired from last night, huh?
Yeah. You go to sleep until 1 o'clock.
Oh my goodness. So today off, we big chilling?
Big chili.
Okay,
Short.
bet. Say
In
less.
the cloud.
Bet. It's up. Well, y'all see it here first, man.
No workout today. We cooked.
Right.
I ain't gonna count, boy. I appreciate you.
Hey, no, I was feeling the same way. I was just like, ooh, I can't call quits today. We got to go up.
No, they said I had the alarm on, right? And then I just kept going and going. And then last time I seen it was like 6:20. I said, babe, 6:20. Okay. Next thing I look at it was 7:06. I said, oh, babe, 7:06. He said, man, I was going to tell him not today, man. We start fresh Monday. I said, I ain't say less. Put my coat right back on.
I'm fucking dying. Hey, man, gotta get it in though. It's good. We've been putting in work this whole week, so. Man, y'all see what's going on, man. We out here early morning at the SSG mansion. Everybody is still asleep. We've been putting in the work all freaking week. Not only all week, man, we was putting the studio and stuff together last night. And I left before them, so I know they was freaking in here for a long time, man. Y'all know what time it is. It is a movie. It's looking like a beautiful, wonderful day today. Chilling on a regular, man. Everything's regular, that is, man. You guys know what time it is. It's time to go. Yay. Meanwhile, dang it. I done messed up my, oh, never mind. Just a little now. Miss Chanel, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, man, another day in paradise trying to get, oh, dang, she got the trailer today. So where are we loading it at?
Actually in the van. I was gonna
In the van.
drop the trailer here. Should I pull back around and
Alrighty, guys, so it's time for this thing to head back to LA and get this thing situated. Chain blew off. Not only that, man, I wanted down there so we can take on some races and stuff like that when we go and have something to ride, man. So we gonna get that thing out there, get ready to slide. Meanwhile, the wheels for that thing will be put on in LA. We got our transporter, Miss Chanel, pulling up right now. So we're gonna see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, that should be fine. Oh yeah, they should be fine. Oh yeah, he's by. Okay, bet. Just like that, on the night of the giveaway, man, my bike is out of here first. LA, we are on the way. I can't wait. It's time to go. Yay to the yay. Y'all see that joint up in here, man? Next time y'all see it, it's gonna have all the oohs and ahs, man. I can't wait. And then we just gave away our freaking bikes, man. We sent off our transporter, but she is back here and she is up there. This bike is heading to Arizona, so we're gonna see what's up when we can get this thing out of here. This thing is actually about to head out now, so I'm about to slide this bike over and this bike over. This bike is up for grabs right now, $25 live on the site. Meanwhile, this thing is headed out to LA. I can't wait. It's time to go yay yay. And just like that, guys, we done made it back to the house early morning. This thing is looking good now. Can you believe we took this thing through a regular gas station car wash and it's looking this good? Literally looking oh so bomb. I'm ready to hop back in it now. I'm telling you, even the inside look marvelous. Even the inside looking marvelous, man. Marvelous, marvelous. Y'all see what's going on? We got that green bike out of here last night, so we got a few more to go, man. It's a movie. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We had a lot of stuff we had to get done and do yesterday, but we finally got everything done and up to par, man. I can't wait. We did do the giveaway, the More Life giveaway, and the 100K subscriber giveaway, man. So, congratulations to all the winners, man. I can't wait to see your faces when we pull up to your door or you come out here to Houston picking up your prize, man. You guys know what time it is, man. If you guys missed out on the More Life or the 100K subscriber giveaway, man, you guys know it is almost that time to shine. We got one more bike in us before Christmas, man, and that'll be our 2022 CVO Road Glide in the blue steel. Yes, man, I'm giving away my 2022 CVO Road Glide in the blue steel for only 25 bucks, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man, this can be the Christmas that you feel like a kid again, man. You guys know what time it is. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a movies only patch and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, I'm about to get up in here, restart this day, get on with it, man. But all in all, I do appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate the 100K subscribers. It's all love. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.